Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and I just wanted to share my review on this MotivX Tools oil filter kit. This was really high quality. I was really happy with this as I was changing the oil in my Tundra for the first time. It comes with an oil filter, the oil filter wrench, and a drain tool. So on the drain tool, the way that this works is you unthread the red part, and then when you go underneath the vehicle, the oil filter system on the Toyotas and the Lexuses, from the 2-liter engines up to the 5.7, has this little setup like this. So you take off the very bottom part, and then you are able to thread the tool up in here. So in the oil kits, they give you this little piece that goes up, and you can twist it to the side to drain oil. And I can imagine that would make more of a mess. And so what MotivX Tools has done is created this really cool kit. And what it will do is thread up into here, since there's already threads. And so you want to make sure that the red portion of it is completely unthreaded so it doesn't damage anything. And then you simply just screw this into place. So once you have the black part tightened into the oil filter housing, that's when you'll then tighten the red portion. So the red portion will then open the valve, and you have about a half of a quart of oil that's up in this filter. So you can string your tube over here into your oil catch pan, and then just simply thread the red part. And so it's a very clean way to open up the valve that's in here and pour out the oil that's in the oil filter area and drain it out. And so this worked really well, and you do it by hand. You don't need to put wrenches on it. I would recommend not using a wrench because you don't want to over tighten it, but it was a good way to drain out that excess oil. And then to remove it, you want to unscrew the red part first and do it fully so that it's not pushing up into the filter. And once you have that unthreaded, then you just spin the top part off. So it's a really easy tool to use. You just need to know what steps you do first and second. And I really like how it has that American flag on it. The quality overall was very high. The packaging, everything was really good with it. Then the oil filter wrench itself, a very nice high quality piece, lock pin on the inside, nice colors to it. And I really like how it fit. When you slide it up onto here, you can feel it really grab. And so it's the perfect fit for it. So anyway, I really enjoyed using this as well. It's nice that it has the 3/8" adapter section that you can put your socket or extension into, and then remove it. As for the filter, it was really cool too. I think they went a little above and beyond on this one and realized that there's threads down inside where the oil cap goes. So they added threads to this part. So it was really nice to thread that one on, thread the rest of the funnel on there too. So this makes it nice, especially how Toyota designed it anyway. So it's sitting up vertical and just makes it a lot easier to pour in the engine oil. And I like as you're pouring the engine oil in, you can kind of see it through the clear portion of the tube. And then when you're done, you can put the bottle just sitting up in it, and it allows the bottle to continue to drain. So I'm very happy with it, and the quality was very good. And I buy a lot of tools, and it's nice when you buy something like this and it's actually worth the money that you spent on it. So anyway, check the video description. I'll put a link to this where you can purchase it, and also videos that are similar to this. If you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.